In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export questions from Microsoft Forms. This is a useful skill for anyone who wants to keep a record of their forms or share them with others. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine you prefer. As you type, you will see the search suggestions pop up. Look for the official Microsoft link, usually at the top of the results. It typically has a URL that includes microsoft.com. This step is essential because accessing the official site ensures you are using the latest version of Microsoft Forms. Once you find the correct link, click on it to proceed. Once that is done, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already logged in, you may skip this step. However, if you are not logged in, enter your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. This process keeps your data secure and ensures that only you have access to your forms. After logging in, you should see your Microsoft Forms dashboard displaying all your forms. This will be your starting point for exporting your questions. Next up, open your form on Microsoft Forms and stay on the Main Questions Editing tab. You can do this by clicking on the specific form you want to work with. Make sure you are in the editing view, as this is where you can manage your questions easily. This step is crucial because it allows you to focus solely on the questions you want to export. You will see your list of questions appear on the screen, ready for the next action. After that, click the three dots button in the top right toolbar next to Collect Responses. This button is often referred to as the More Options button. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options related to your form. This is an important step because it gives you access to additional functionalities that are not immediately visible on the main screen. You will want to locate the next option for exporting your questions. From there, select Print Form from the drop-down menu. This option may not seem like it relates to exporting questions, but it is the method we will use. Once you select Print Form, you will see a new window pop up, preparing to manage your print settings. This step is vital because it sets the stage for either saving your questions digitally or printing them out. You will notice that the form appears in a printable format, showing all your questions clearly. Now, a System Print dialog window will pop up. This window is where you can choose how to proceed with your form. Here, you will see options for selecting a printer. Pay close attention, as this is where you can make important choices about your output. The dialog window may look different depending on your operating system, but the options will be similar. This is a crucial moment because your next action will determine how you save or print your questions. To save as a digital file, change your printer destination to Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click Save to create an offline file. This option is perfect for those who want to keep a digital copy of their questions for future reference. By saving as a PDF, you ensure that your format remains intact, which is especially useful for sharing with others or keeping records. To get a hard copy, select your physical office printer and click Print. This option is straightforward if you prefer a tangible version of your questions. You will hear your printer start up, confirming that your request is being processed. This step is beneficial for those who like to have physical documents for easy review or distribution. Once the printing is complete, you will have your questions in hand, ready for any purpose you need.